All right, this is the first example of how to work with some of these equations and find the arc lengths and areas of sectors. So from 12.1. So the first example we're going to work on is this problem right here. Example one, we have this circle. We have an angle that's in radians, 2.6, and the radius of the circle, 7 centimeters. And we're being asked to find the arc length, the length of the arc, which subtends the central angle, and the area of the sector. So for both of these, we're just going to be using the equations that we were just given, that we just introduced. So for the first one, for the arc length, that equation is just r times theta. We just multiply the arc length here when the angle is in radians like this, which is nice. The arc length is just the product of the radius times the angle. So that one's pretty easy. We just multiply those two values together. 7 times 2.6. That's going to give you 18.2. Simple as that, 7 meters. All right. The area of the sector is also fairly simple. We're just going to use the formula for that one, theta r squared over 2. That gives you the area of the formula. It's a little, not much more complex, a little bit, but also fairly straightforward. Just to, again, plugging that into our calculator, 2.6 times 7 squared over 2 works out to be 63.7 square centimeters. So that would be the area of the sector.